Hi everyone, welcome back to Salesforce Lightning Sessions. So in this particular session, I will explain how to create a Lightning application and a Lightning component. After that, we will see how to access or how to call this Lightning component in the Lightning application. So let's move to our trial account. So this is my trial account. So here, if you see the symbol, so click on this one and select setup, and so click on setup. First step what you have to do if you want to see the lightning component results in your application. So first you have to enable your domain. So click on setup. So here my domain, company settings, my domain. So click on my domain to activate the domain. This is the first step you have to follow. So here I already activated my domain. So choose domain name. Domain second step is domain registration pending, domain ready for testing, and domain deployed to the users. So this is the first step you have to do. Otherwise, you cannot able to see the Lightning component results. So next step, so just go to again. Just click on the developer console. So here file, edit, debug, test, workspace and help, right? So just click on file, click on new, and first create the lightning application. So click on lightning application. So just I'm giving service app is my application name. So just click on submit button, click on submit button. So once you click on submit button, you can see the different components here. So here controller, helper, style, documentation, render, SVG. So all these things I explained in my previous video. You can please refer that one. So this is my application I created. So after that, again click on new. We will create the components. So here lightning components. Just click on the lightning components. So instead of a service app, I will just rename it as a service CMP. So service CMP is my test component I'm going to create here. So once you click on that button, so you can able to see here also different components like controller, helpers, style, documentation, render, design, SVG, right? So this is my component, test component. It starts with Aura components. So just I will create some attributes here. C colon. Why am I using C colon is a namespace by default namespace. I didn't create any namespace, so C is my default namespace. Service ID. Sorry. So here just remove. It's not required. So service ID. Just one first. It is my first attribute. So which will display in my application. So here 4 attributes I'm taking. So service ID, service type, and service location, and fourth one is service name. So this is my component. As of now, I just created 4 attributes. So this is my component. Component is ready. The next step is just we want to call this service CMP component in my application if we want to see the output. So here we want to use the namespace. So here namespace. So call that particular component name. What is that? Service CMP. right? Sorry, CMP. So same thing here also I'm calling. So this is my, so how to retrieve the Salesforce component in the application. So this is the way we have to retrieve. So then if you want to see the preview and result, so just click on the preview button here. Now my page is ready. So Salesforce or a component result is ready. See, this is the one, and SF domain is my domain name, I already told. So you have to enable, the first step is you have to enable the domain. So later we can able to see the results. Thank you friends. If you like this information, please subscribe for more information. Thank you so much.